Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today we're going to talk about the three main types of rain gear. If you're new to this channel is mostly about hiking, backpacking, kayaking, gear reviews, magnet fishing, and more outdoors activities. So if you enjoyed these things, you might want to join us. The three main different type of rain gear that you can use. We're going to talk about more the top part, because there's like skirts and pants that you can use obviously on the bottom, but we're going to concentrate on the top part of the rain protection. So mainly there's three types. There's the raincoat, rain jacket, there is the 3/4 zip pullover, and there's the poncho type that you can use. These are the three most common ones that you will see on the trail or anywhere else. There's different qualities, different weight, different styles. Some have different options. So you might enjoy more, better quality, more durable, depending on what you want to do with it, and also what kind of temperature or some areas that you're going to be with. The main ones I'm going to talk about today is the Frogtag Jacket, the Tomshu Poncho, and the Decathlon Quechua 3/4 zip pullover. So for the Frogtag jacket, when you buy it, it comes with the pants. It comes also with a pocket, but I don't use that like kind of pocket bag that they give. I think it's not that good for it. What I just do is I roll it and I stuff it into the hoodie. So it makes like a pocket itself, and I find it more easier to use it, or I simply just stuff it down my bag if I want to use it. So the Frogtag jacket is 169 gram, so 5.9 ounce. The Frogtag is so much popular on the trail, very popular on true hikes. A lot of people have used it, it's been proven, and it's effective. The only problem is that you just get it caught in a branch and it will tear off. It's just so thin. This is a large, but look how big it is. See? So it's made way larger than it should. So it's made wide. So lots of space. I even used it with a day pack. It fits. It's pretty tight, but you can use it with a day pack. I would say up to 20 liter, I would say. I use it with a 16 liter. It will be a bit tight, but you can actually put it over. It would look silly though. So you can tie it down here, and if you use it with a hat like I do, you don't get rain at all. There's no pit zip, there's no ventilation at all. It's not sexy at all, you look like a trash bag, but it works. The Tomshu Poncho comes in a nice little bag like this. Easy to roll, easy to put in, very simple. Nice little bag. The Tomshu Poncho comes at 288 gram, so 10 ounce, so it's heavier. So the Tomshu Poncho. So if you want to use it for a tarp, it's pretty big. So when you want to use it as a poncho, you just take the Velcro and you stick it to the other side. So you can use it for your arms. You have like one at the bottom, one at the top. So you can tie it down like this for the arms, and you tie it up the bottom here so it doesn't open. It gives you some openings. It's not pretty, obviously. It's a poncho. I've never seen a pretty poncho. And there you go. The arms are covered. Very, very strong material. The opening is pretty tight. Even if you're not cinch it down, it's pretty tight. So it's harder to put over your head with a cap, but it's not gonna come off. And water won't come in, it's tight. You can stitch it more, but I don't see the reason. The Decathlon Quechua 3/4 comes also into a bag, which is actually his own pocket. There's one pocket on the side, and you can just flip it in and just stuff it inside his own pocket, which is pretty neat. The Decathlon Quechua 3/4 Zip Pullover comes at 175 grams, so 6.2 ounce. Compared to the Frogtag, this one is a tight fit. So you cannot put too many layers under. It's just, this is a large and it fits me just like fine. No pit zip. So you can stitch it down too. It also covers really well. And well, I just do this for ventilation and it's fine for me, but it all depends on you. Great elastics there. And there is, compared to the Frogtag, there is a cinch at the bottom. If you use it just like this, it's a bit prettier, I would say, to go out and to get to a store, or if you're true hiking to get into the city, you will look a little bit better, I would say. It's more casual than the Frogtag. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching.